This is Chicago's very own WGN News at 9.
Good evening, I'm Micah Mater.
And I'm Ray Cortopassi. Now at 9, big developments over the government's mask mandate. A judge in Florida has struck down the rule requiring masks on planes and public transportation. And now several major airlines are following suit and won't require them anymore.
WGN's Megan Dwyer explains why from O'Hare.
In a scathing 59-page order, a federal judge in Florida, who was appointed by former President Trump, says the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC, doesn't have the authority to force private people to wear masks in their private lives. 2 Florida women sued, arguing they have anxiety and wearing a mask makes them have panic attacks. They argued the nationwide mask mandate went well beyond the authority of the CDC. Federal law does say the CDC can issue regulations that are necessary to prevent the spread of communicable disease. But the court's decision came down to a nuanced, exacting interpretation of federal law and the meaning of a few choice words like sanitation. In part, the judge reasoned because masks don't technically clean anything, they shouldn't be required.
Basically, a get out of jail free card for people who want to get off the masks.
In her extensive order, U.S. District Court Judge Catherine Kimball Mizell wrote anyone who fails to wear a mask is essentially detained and quarantined. Quote, they are forcibly removed from their airplane seats, denied boarding at the bus stops, and turned away at the train station doors, all on suspicion that they will spread disease. She said the CDC can't force us to wear masks, just like it can't make us all cough into our elbows or take our vitamins either. The White House called it a disappointing decision.
The CDC continues recommending wearing a mask in public transit. As you know, this just came out this afternoon. So right now, the Department of Homeland Security, who would be implementing, and the CDC are reviewing the decision. And of course, the Department of Justice would make any determinations about litigation.
And most of the airlines tonight are also announcing that they're not going to require their employees to continue to mask up. Amtrak saying that its employees and its riders no longer have to wear a mask anymore on the trains or in the stations. We're live at O'Hare tonight. Megan Dwyer, WGN News.
Thank you, Megan. Chicago's top federal prosecutor